I'll be showing you how you can get the Google Pixel 9 attached with the Shopify. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow this video till the end to get to know about it. So let's dive right into the video. So what you have to do is to simply go ahead and open up the Play Store in the Google Pixel phone. So once you're in the Google Pixel Play Store, what you have to do is to simply search Shopify. And once you have searched that, what you have to do is to install the application. I'll get back to you as soon as the application has been installed. Install the Shopify application in your Google Pixel phone. What you have to do is to open it up and create an account. So that way you will be able to use your Shopify account on your Google Pixel phone. So this is the way how you can use Shopify on Google Pixel application. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the like button, subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.